welcome back. First of all, thank you for subscribing to my channel and for watching this video, sharing it and sending encouraging comments. Today, let me give you some clear idea about voice, accent, stress, rhythm and intonation. It's essential to know this to improve English pronunciation. Firstly, voice. As you know, the most valuable asset of a communicator is voice. We have to be careful to maintain and improve the quality of our voice. My 15-step voice improvement exercise in my earlier video will definitely help you in this regard. Secondly, accent. What is accent? It is a particular way or style in which a person speaks. It's essential to have a good accent so that it makes every audience think highly of you. It is a regional or international difference in how people pronounce. For example, North Americans may pronounce the word bet slightly different from the South Americans. You may have listened to people with North Indian accent, South Indian accent, Malayalam accent, Tamil accent, Kannada accent, British accent, American accent, etc. In British English, we say schedule, but the American accent is schedule, schedule. The third thing that we should know is stress. Stress. Stress is a relative force with which a sound or syllable is spoken. You have to raise your voice on some syllables in a word. Some syllables you have to lower your voice, and some syllables you have to be in the normal volume. Raising your voice is called strong stress. Lowering your voice is called weak stress. And keeping your voice at a normal volume is called unstress. Please note that strong stress is indicated with an apostrophe and weak stress is indicated with a comma, and unstress has no indication. That is, in the absence of an apostrophe and a comma, it means that it is an unstress. For example, the word domestic. In this word, you find three syllables: do, mes, tick. By the way, the dictionary that you have to look for finding out the correct pronunciation in British English is Daniel Jones' Everyman's English Pronouncing Dictionary. Please take note of this dictionary, Daniel Jones' Everyman's English Pronouncing Dictionary. It is recommended that you have a personal copy of this dictionary with you, because that is the authority in pronouncing British English. Okay, in the dictionary, the pronunciation of the word domestic is given like this: domestic. You don't see any apostrophe or comma before do. So that is an unstressed syllable. That means your voice has to be in your normal volume. But you find an apostrophe. It means whatever syllable or syllables come after that strong stress, your voice should be raised. Therefore, this word is pronounced domestic, domestic, domestic. Another example is responsibility. Here, Re is in normal volume of your voice. Sponsy should be in a lower volume. And ability should be in a higher volume. So it should be pronounced responsibility, 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 responsibility. The fourth concept that we should understand is rhythm. What is rhythm? Rhythm means the rise and fall of your voice in a word. It's also called pattern of stress. Example, responsibility. You find your voice rising and falling. This pattern is called rhythm. Transportation. Transportation. Now you must be wondering, what are those letters looking like English letters? That's how we write a word phonetically, using phonetic symbols. Our permanent solution to learn correct pronunciation is to learn the phonetic language. It's very easy to learn the way I am going to present it to you. You will find it in my videos shortly. Please stay tuned to those most important videos. The fifth and the last concept in this video is about intonation. What is intonation? It is the rise and fall of your voice in a sentence. It is interesting to note that rhythm is for words and intonation is for sentences. Example, for yes or no questions, there is a rising of your voice towards the end of the sentence. Like, have you told her? Have you told her? Here, 0 means very low voice. 1, 2 mean a gradual raising of your voice. Do you want water? Do you want water? Are you going? Are you going? If you're asking a question for information, the voice of the sentence falls gradually towards the end of the sentence. Example, what is your name? What is your name? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, now you know what is voice, accent, stress, rhythm, and intonation. You will definitely be able to consider them when you speak and when you look for the pronunciation of a word in a dictionary. And that dictionary should be Daniel Jones' Everyman's English Pronouncing Dictionary. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, kindly comment and share. Stay tuned to this channel. Have a nice time.